Hello friends, my name is Rita Mehta. The topic is Development of Mathematics under the paper Pedagogy of Mathematics. First, we know what is mathematics. Mathematics is defined as the study of relationships among quantities, magnitudes, and properties, and also of the logical operations by which unknown quantities, magnitudes, and properties may be deduced, or the study of quantity, structure, space, and change. मैथमेटिक्स एक ऐसी स्टडी है जिसमें क्वांटिटीज़ मैग्नीट्यूड्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बीच में रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पढ़ा जाता है। साथ ही कुछ लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस की हेल्प से अननोन क्वांटिटीज़ मैग्नीट्यूड्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज़ को फाइंड आउट भी किया जाता है। हिस्टोरिकली इट वॉज रिगार्डेड एज द साइंस ऑफ क्वांटिटी, whether of magnitude as in geometry or of numbers as in arithmetic, or of the generalization of these two fields as in algebra. हिस्टोरिकली हम देखते हैं तो मैथ्स को एज अ साइंस ऑफ क्वांटिटी देखा जाता था, और जिसमें ज्योमेट्री के अंदर मैग्नीट्यूड, अर्थमेटिक के अंदर नंबर्स एंड एल्जेब्रा के अंदर नंबर्स एंड मैग्नीट्यूड दोनों की स्टडी की जाती थी. सम हैव सीन इट इन टर्म्स एज सिंपल एज अ सर्च फॉर पैटर्न्स. द स्टोरी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. The history of mathematics is nearly as old as humanity itself. Since antiquity, mathematics has been fundamental to advances in science, engineering, and philosophy. It has evolved from simple counting, measurement, and calculation, and the systematic study of the shapes and motions of physical objects through the application of abstraction, imagination, and logic to the broad, complex, and often abstract discipline we know today. Prehistoric mathematics. The origins of mathematical thought lie in the concepts of number, magnitude, and form. Modern studies of animal cognition have shown that these concepts are not unique to humans. Such concepts would have been part of everyday life in hunter gatherer societies. The idea of the number concept evolving gradually over time is supported by the existence of languages which preserve the distinction between one, two, and many, but not of numbers larger than two. The history of maths. 16th century mathematics. The cultural, intellectual, and artistic movement of the Renaissance, which saw a resurgence of learning based on classical sources, began in Italy around the 14th century and gradually spread across most of Europe over the next 2 centuries. Science and art were still very much interconnected and intermingled at this time. The exemplified by the work of artist scientists such as Leonardo da Vinci, and it is no surprise that just as in art, revolutionary work in the fields of philosophy and science was soon taking place. अगर हम देखें 16th सेंचुरी मैथमेटिक्स स्टडी में, तो हम देखते हैं कि साइंस एंड आर्ट के बीच में इंटरकनेक्शन देखा जाता था. जैसे लियोनार्डो दा विंसी का एग्जाम्पल है कि उन्होंने अपनी आर्ट में भी मैथ्स का यूज़ किया हुआ था. विद हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमेरल्स, standardized notation, and the new language of algebra at their disposal, the stage was set for the European mathematical revolution of the 17th century. 17th century mathematics. In the wake of the Renaissance, the 17th century saw an unprecedented explosion of mathematical and scientific ideas across Europe, a period sometimes called the Age of Reason. Hard on the heels of the Copernican revolution of Nicolaus Copernicus in the 16th century, scientists like Galileo Galilei, Tycho Brahe, and Johannes Kepler were making equally revolutionary discoveries in the exploration of the solar systems, leading to the Kepler's formulation of mathematical laws of planetary motion. केपलर्स ने अपने लॉज ऑफ प्लानिटरी मोशन में भी मैथमेटिकल फार्मूलाज का यूज़ किया हुआ था. जो सोलर सिस्टम के लिए यूज़ होती हैं। The invention of the logarithm in the early 17th century by John Napier, the later improved by Napier and Henry Briggs, contributed to the advance of science, astronomy, and mathematics by making some difficult calculations relatively easy. The logarithm of a number is the exponent when that number is expressed as a power of 10 or any other base. It is effectively the inverse of exponentiation. 18th century mathematics. Most of the late 17th century and a good part of the early 18th were taken up by the work of disciples of Newton and Leibniz, who applied their ideas on calculus to solving a variety of problems in physics, astronomy, and engineering. 19th century mathematics. The 19th century saw an unprecedented increase in the breadth and complexity of mathematical concepts. Both France and Germany were caught up in the age of revolution which swept Europe in the late 18th century. But the two countries treated mathematics quite differently. 20th century mathematics, Hardy and Ramanujan. The eccentric British mathematician G.H. Hardy is known for his achievements in number theory and mathematical analysis, but he is perhaps even better known for his adoption and mentoring of the self-taught Indian mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. Meanwhile, in 1930, Srinivasa Ramanujan, a 23-year-old shipping clerk from Madras, India, wrote a Hardy claiming, among other things, to have devised a formula that calculated the number of primes up to 100 million with generally no error. The self-taught and obsessive Ramanujan had managed to improve all the Riemann's result and more with almost no knowledge of developments in the Western world and no formal tuition. He claimed that most of his ideas came to his dream Indian mathematics. The Indians were also responsible for another hugely important development in mathematics. The earliest recorded usage of a circle character for the number 0 is usually attributed to 9th century engraving in a temple in Gwalior in central India. But the brilliant conceptual lead to include 0 as a number in its own right, rather than merely as a placeholder, a blank or empty space within a number, as it had been treated until that time, is usually credited to the 7th century Indian mathematician Brahmagupta, or possibly another Indian Bhaskara first, even though it may well have been in practical use for centuries before that. The use of 0 as a number, which could be used in calculations and mathematical investigations, would revolutionize mathematics. Indian trigonometry tables showed that an angle of 1/7 degree indicates triangle sides with a ratio of 400:1, meaning that the sun is 400 times further away from the earth than the moon. The ancient Hindu symbol of a circle with a dot in the middle, known as Bindu or Bindhu, symbolizing the void and the negation of the self, was probably instrumental in the use of a circle as a representation of the concept of 0. Thank you to